Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiara Anthony, aka Chocolate Lips. Right now I'm currently untwisting my hair. I had the twist in last night, so just pulling it apart, and I'm pretty much just going to show you guys a routine, my daily routine of what I do with my natural hair. I use a spray bottle and I apply water inside of it. I like to apply the water thoroughly in my hair. I separate my hair just enough to get water in every dry spot. I'm using Camilla Rose Curl Love. I apply a dime size amount for each section or each part of my hair, but first I like to go through it thoroughly all through my hair the first time, making sure it doesn't frizz from the water hitting my hair. So I like my hair stretched out, so I like to comb through it as I'm applying the moisturizer. By the way guys, this conditioner slash moisturizer smells so good. Like, it smells like vanilla and it has macadamia oil in it. It has all natural ingredients. There's nothing unknown. It tells you all on the bottle. I purchased this from Sally's and it's not expensive at all. It's a good amount. I continuously stretch my hair out, comb through it, keep adding on the moisturizer, just to make sure that there's no dry spots, there's no frizziness. I like my hair to be really curly and also soft, so I apply as much as I need because I have really thick hair. So if you need a good amount on your hair, do not be shy. Apply as much as you need. Next, I'm going in with my Shea Moisture moisturizer. It's the hibiscus kind. It's the pink bottle. I like using this moisturizer because it's really thick, and I feel like this thick consistency works great with my hair. It helps it curl. It helps it, just be more tameable and not so frizzy. I continue with this method until I feel like my hair is where I would like it to be. Next, I'm going with this Eco Styler gel. It's the gold gel, and it has flaxseed, black castor oil, pretty much all the good stuff for your hair. I mean, gel itself is not good for your hair, but at least, it has some ingredients in it that will help your hair a little bit. I like to go in with the gel lastly, after I moisturize my hair, making sure my hair is, actually nourished properly before adding the gel. So when I do add the gel, it just pretty much helps define my hair, and it helps it stay in place as well as locking in everything.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
My lord, a handsome song. I came here tonight to play chess. Nobody ever mentioned anything about a sword fight. Master Lord, if you don't talk, you're gonna die.
You can already see a difference as I'm applying the gel to the front of my hair, because it's always like all the way through now. And I just section off my hair to make sure I'm getting most of my hair and not just the ends of my hair, because I want the gel to be all through my hair. That way it can stay in place and it won't frizz up throughout the day. Lastly, I'm going in with more gel, but I'm adding it to my edges this time. I'm being a little generous to my edges so it'll be slicked down the way I like it. I'm going in with a brush to help it stay down, and this helps it stay laid so that it's not flying everywhere at the end of the day. And I'm using the hard side, so not the detangling side of my brush, but the firmer side. I notice I have some straggles, so I just apply a little bit more gel to the ends of my hair and comb through to get it to where how I like it. So, yep. This is my end result. I hope you guys like. It's pretty curly, decent. And make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment to my